Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress Wagwan. So today I am here to serve you some looks. I swear I feel myself. I ain't going nowhere. It's what time in the night? Right now it is 10 o'clock and I'm about to, wipe this off and go to bed. But I do like this wig, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't be mean, share me, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video and see how we get to this transformation. So to get started, I'm using this shower cap, and it keeps the wig from sticking to the wig head. Not only that, but it protects the wig head from getting dirty. Also, I'm using this hair from the Tara brand. It's in platinum, and I just use some coloring. I'll leave the colors that I used below to color it pink, and some hair glue and some shears and two wig caps. I use two because I want it to be firm and not tear apart. Now I'm going to place some T-pins around the perimeter to outline the back of my neck as well as to the front of my head, and I use the measurement from both arches of my eyebrows to make those placements. Now for my sideburns, wherever it's gonna lie by my ear is where I'm going to put those two pins, and I try to make it as even as possible. Now I'm not using the shortest piece at the back. I'm using just the middle piece, the second longest piece, yes, to put at the back of my neck so that when you lay it right there, it won't be too short and it will be able to cover the back of your neck. Okay, and then I only put like 2 or 3 rows. Then I'm going to go in with the longer section. It's 4 sections in this pack of hair, so, and each time they gradually get longer. So I'm gradually going to go from left to right, making it into a U part. And don't forget to use your blow dryer. It helps to keep the hair that you just laid in place and to let it dry faster. For this part of the wig, I am going to use 2 strips of the third longest piece of hair to be able to give me some length at the back and also to give me some at the side, so that when I shave it down, it will be long enough to come down to my ear. For this part of the wig, I'm going to use the longest piece for my bangs, and I go from left to right as you see. And when I cover the half of the front, I will be going in a circular motion for a few, just to maintain the shape and to give the other sides some of that length as well, so that it falls in that area. But for the most part, it is supposed to be giving me bangs. Okay, you could do this part as thick as you want to. I want my hair to lay naturally, so I didn't use too much hair at the front. If you want to see how I color the hair, I could do that in another video for another color. But the purpose of this video is to show you how I made this pixie wig. See, I'm showing you that I'm going to go in a slant motion going up to the top, and then now I'm going to use my last strip of hair before I seal the middle. Alright, so the wig is dried. I left it overnight to dry. And see, everything is all, it has no shape right now. This is the back, remember, because the number is right here. And this is the front. So let's fit it on. So the thing with doing your own hair sometimes, especially when it comes to cutting, is like you can't see. You just cut a small piece at a time so that you frame your face, so you know exactly how you want it to lay. You got me? And then you do it for the other side, and then we're gonna work on the back. So my intentions for this wig is to make sure the sides are very low, well, naturally low, and the back, I need a little length on it because I realize that with these type of hair, after a while they lose shape. So I want to be able to, when I fit it on, everything still looks natural. So for the back, I am just lightly bumping the hair so that it falls with the shape of my head, as well as to be able to give it some type of not too curly look. But for the nape of my neck, I will let that remain straight. So with the front, I was being a little indecisive. I didn't know how I wanted the hair to fall. It was a bit long for me even when I curled it, so I just trimmed it down some more and tried to lay it towards the front of my face as opposed to the sides, because I realized that I was hiding the shape of the sides. So I just combed it to the front, and I decided that that's how I liked it better. So all I was doing was to trim it down more, even though I had already curled it. So you could frame it however you like. For this style, I just bumped it and laid it to the front of my face. Always remember to cut small sections at a time, especially if you're not a professional. I'm not a professional cutter, so you know, but cut a small piece at a time, because at least you know that you know what you're working with. Once you cut too far too fast, there's nothing you can do about it because you can't glue the hair back on. So just take your time and work your way through to find the shape that you actually like for your hair. Alright, girlfriend, so you have watched the end of this video and I am so grateful. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will see you in my next video. And as I said, don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, love you.